अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। गुब्रा आज के गो डेट 27/7/2020 यानी 27 जुलाई। क्लास 7 सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश। टॉपिक गो फेस शोइंग। सब टॉपिक में क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर्स। बुक पेज नंबर 96 97। Who came to the narrator's village? The narrator's गाँव से आप आंसर Rahim Bibi came to the author's village. Rahim Bibi hasa was author since गाँव. She was the newly wedded bride. Sasa was no Mahri of the washerman's son. यानी सासू washerman's खानदारी नीचे खानदारी सासू was no आमुस गाँव में. What did the narrator's mother? What did the narrator's mother, aunt, and his elder brother's wife give the newly wedded bride? Daba narrator's maj, tımsiz peçin, tımsiz elder brother Yusuf, narrator's tımsiz wife Yadi, and Miss newly wedded brides. The author's mother gave her a pair of bangles. The author's mother gave a pair of bangles. The aunt gave her a pair of anklets. The pair of anklets. The elder brother's wife gave her a pair of silver toe rings. Silver toe rings are the themes. In three मुख्तलिफ चीज़. Question number 3. The narrator's sister-in-law said only her complexion is fair. The face is full of freckles. This shows she is. Answer Shimuk. Yes, how is Cassers? It shows she is vain and arrogant. Question number 4. What did the newly wedded bride do after or 4 days? You said newly wedded bride. Think of what she started bringing water from the village where she must have. Question number 5. What did the sister-in-law keep quiet? Why did the sister-in-law keep quiet? Because she could not find a suitable reply. Job, job, or did not want to prolong argument. Why did the parents of the daughter-in-law leave? Daughter-in-law is parents. They live at Surins. Question number 7. Why did the mother-in-law stop coming to the well? Because she became busy with some other household chores. Question number 8. How many years did the narrator spend in the 9th class? 9th class. 3 years. Question number 9. What did the Rahim Bibi ask the author to give her as his mashani? Rahim Bibi was author to mashani. Why, when she was dying, his maras a handful of soil. So it's a handful soil in which what? It is covered by some color. Takes it. But the language work A part. The language work A part. Find the word from the lesson. Lesson must there is words which mean the following. You money matlab sentence on the estimate word. To want something or to want to do something. Yasun ke karan. So desire. Small pale brown spots on the skin, usually on the face. Go freckles. Not able to work correctly. Unable. Happening or doing at the same time simultaneously in a back work. Treated in a special way. Pampered. A piece of thin material worn by women to cover the face or head. Wheel in a parda burqa economist, a strong wish or lodging suitable. Thanks, Osgurisan. Inshallah,